Hi guys, it's Mills. I'm so excited to be doing my most recent day-to-day tutorial with some new Florence products, so stay tuned and find out how I got this look. It's me, Mills. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my daily look, which I know you guys are dying to see. I don't know, I'm very natural and I just wanted to show basically how easy and how simple it is to just look as natural and your true self as possible. So this is what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be doing the Dreamy Do Moisturizer to prep my skin. Now I like to apply. In all honesty, I do it with this like rolling pin, and it just, in the mornings, it's the best. It's the thing I use the most actually. Okay. So now I will let this prep. Please add music. Next, I'm going to be doing the skin tint. I always get very excited to do my base in the mornings because I like remaining true to who I am, making myself look as natural as possible and make myself feel dewy, feel like my skin's actually moisturizing while this stuff is on. So it's really important for me when making it to have all of those things in mind. Now I'm done with that. It feels so glowy. I could really just walk out the house and feel comfortable with that on, but we're not stopping there. Now I'm going to be doing my concealer. So my favorite part is obviously the cooling metal tip. I'm going to do this under my eyes, and then the end of my nose, and then some areas of my face. So, do this real quick, and just blend. Okay, so that is done with my base so far. I'm going to now do my blush. So for my day-to-day look, I like to use Stella Sabrina because it adds a pop of colour to my natural look. Just to kind of dim down the colour, I'll just do it on my palm. And then pat it down. Okay. So these are the Bouncy Cloud Highlighters, newest Florence products. We're so excited. It has a really different feel than any other highlight I've ever seen, and the colors are so beautiful. This is called Rose Glow, and it's quite self-explanatory. I'm going to start applying it to my cheekbone. This is everything. A little bit here too. So then I'm going to do it right under my eyebrow. So when I do my eyebrows, they look a lot more, they stand out better. And I'm also going to do it on the tip of my nose, and then even do it on my collarbones. The Bouncy Cloud Highlighter comes in 3 shades. The Rose Glow Shimmery Pink, the Moonlight Glow, a white gold, and last but not least, this is Sun-Kissed Glow, a beautiful bronze. The Bouncy Cloud Highlighter has skin conditioning ingredients that leaves the skin glowy and moisturized. So next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. As you guys saw from the last videos, you know what I like to do. I like to bend the brush a little bit just so I can get a better angle. Okay, and then I'm going to get a regular eyebrow brush to brush the colour through. I love how this gives me such a bushy, nice brow with not being too much, and you don't have to go crazy and spend hours doing it. You know, it can take less than 2 minutes to do. It actually makes a world of a difference. So next I'm going to be doing the Build to Lash mascara. I won't be doing my bottom lash because I'm going to keep more of my natural look. I think what was so fun about making this is, like I said before, the combination is so difficult to make, especially with all of our things that we like to include, which is being cruelty-free, vegan, clean. So it was really important that we get this just right, and that's why we released it separately, because we wanted to spend much more time making sure that it was going to be perfect. So that's that. Next, to save till last, I'll be doing Mellow Mills and Moody Mills, my favorite shades of my lip gloss. What I'm gonna do first is I'm going to do Mellow Mills. 2 seconds. I'm gonna do that quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Just quickly apply. Perfect. Then I'm gonna spend a little bit more time because I'm going to do this in the center to make my lips look bigger. So fun. So that is the finished look. This is my day-to-day look. I love it. I'm ready to go out. Woohoo!